Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and we're continuing our Fabulous Friday Fun watercolor series. And since October has 5 Fridays, then we get a bonus video here. So I will call this 129 bonus, or 129B, as that's the sequence of it. And I've got some very fun, loose, kind of fun little watercolors to show you in this episode. So thanks for watching, and we'll get started. These are some other sort of extra credit projects that go along with the style and look of what we've been doing. So I think I will do them, and we'll just do it fast forward since I'm going kind of long here. I'll encourage you to just try it a really quick way to do a very loose little watercolor. You could start with your yellow at any point in the spectrum, and then just work your way in that order, the way the colors mix the best, and vary your shades of color, but it all works together beautifully, and it's hardly more than 5 or 6 brush strokes. So have fun with it. And here after it was dry, I went back in and enhanced some darker colors coming down into those bands. And actually this one doesn't need it much, but maybe I'll just touch up here and here. Actually it's dry enough, so with just a deeper shade of whatever color you have coming down. Purple here. Very quick, very fun. I've had a classic stamp that's I can't tell you how many years ago, and called Ranunculus. And with this flower, I thought, you know, this is a fun kind of updated way to get the same look. So we'll just fast forward this so that you can see how we get there with one stamp and a pen. To do some vertical lines, of course I could use a ruler. I could angle them in an interesting way. All the way straight might be kind of boring, but let's see. Let's try some angles. because I want to do that overlap, I'm going to do my darkest magenta color on this one. And now I might wait for things to dry a little bit, but to do some greens, let's see, we'll do it sort of wet on wet. See what we get. So there's very quick and playful and very dynamic without taking much time at all. Your friends will be very impressed to get a beautiful, colorful card like this. So thanks for watching, and take a look at our little gallery, and hope to see you next week.